Hi there, students. A silhouette. Okay, a silhouette is an image of a person, but it's the outline, the line round the edge, and then all of the inside is normally black. So you've got a black shape with the outline of a person. It could be an animal or a scene or something else. But when I hear the word silhouette, I think of these things from the mid 19th century the mid 18th century up to the 19th century, and you will see a person in profile with the shape of their head, and this is a silhouette. You've normally got the silhouette on a white background, and then the silhouette is a black shape. It's the outline of somebody's face normally, but it doesn't have to be. And this is actually the origin of these. Let's see. In the mid 18th century, people used to like to have pictures painted of them, little pictures, but this was a much cheaper alternative. And the origin of this phrase, a silhouette, actually comes from a French finance minister in the 1760s, Etienne de Silhouette, and he had to put all sorts of taxes on people, and he was very austere, and his name became associated with anything done or made cheaply. And these silhouettes, these black shapes, normally they're cut with a pair of scissors that you cut round, and somebody who's skilled at this can make a silhouette in a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and these are very cheap versions of the portrait miniatures, and that's why you have the word a silhouette. So it actually comes from somebody's name. I've even got a silhouette of myself, which was cut when I was on holiday in Paris. So silhouette. A silhouette it's the outline, the dark, but more generally, it's a dark shape seen against a light surface. So maybe if you look at something and the sun is behind it, you can only see the shape. I could see the silhouette of the tree on the hill. It was clear against the sky. So the silhouette, it shows it is a dark shape, but you can't actually see the inner details. You can have silhouettes of clothes. A dress silhouette is the shape of a lady's dress, so that you know what it looks like. And they've been using dress silhouettes in fashion for many years. Then we even have a verb to silhouette or silhouetted. So I could see the shape of several walkers silhouetted against the skyline. So I could see their shape walking, but I couldn't see any of the details. So a silhouette, a solid dark shape, and you see when something has a bright light or a pale background behind it, and the thing that you can see is the shape. The logo of the company is a silhouette of the spires of Oxford. Various different spires, and the silhouette of the city is quite characteristic. You can have a silhouette of anything. The silhouette, it's talking about the outline of something, but with black or all one colour, with a solid colour in the centre. And very often you will recognise something from its silhouette. I recognised his silhouette, the silhouette of his great big ears. Okay, so the silhouette, it's sort of like the shape, but it's only the shape with none of the details, with none of the contours. It's only the outline, but the outline filled in. The outline's only a line around the edge, whereas the silhouette is filled in the center. So an illustrated outline, normally filled in with black, and it represents the shape of the object without giving any other details. And you will most things you will recognize them by their silhouette. I could see the silhouette of a person, but I didn't know if it was a man or a woman. Um, okay, silhouettes for dresses and skirts. It's the outline of the garment, of the piece of clothing, as it would be if somebody wears it. Okay, so a silhouette from Etienne the Silhouette. Let's see, formality, a silhouette. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality, maybe a 6 in formality, but use anyway. It's a touch on the more formal side, but I think you can use it informally and even something very formally. So, silhouette.